Well, season is drawing to a close again, and there's only 1 week left in the championship, and after that comes the playoffs. Hmm. Now, two spots have been selected already, and only one is left. You know how it goes already. Three teams get promoted, three teams get relegated. The teams that get promoted end up playing in the English Premier League. Now that is big ball business. The good news is Reggae Boyz striker Jamal Lowe and defender Pinnock have a shot at playing in the English Premier League next year. The catch is can be only one, not both. Now Pinnock plays for Brentford and Lowe for Swansea. Both teams will enter the championship playoffs along with Barnsley and Bournemouth. The team that comes out on top will be promoted to the Premier League along with Norwich and Watford, who gained automatic promotion. Bournemouth was relegated last season, along with the same Norwich and Watford. However, they were not as dominant in the EFL Championship, and they finished in 5th on 77 points, with the same as Barnsley in 6th. Barnsley played Brentford on February 14th of this year, beating them 2-0, ending Brentford's 22-game winning streak. Very impressive considering that they're playing in the Championship. Now that was Barnsley's first win in 6 games up to that point. So Pinnock did not have the best game that day, and I'm sure he feels he has to set that right, and he will have a point to prove if Brentford face Barnsley in the playoffs. In the 2 games they played this season, Barnsley and Brentford split the games 1 apiece. Now Jamal Lowe's team Swansea is in 4th with 80 points. He was able to contribute 13 goals in 45 appearances. Now if Swansea are going to make an impact on this playoffs and gain promotion, Lowe will have to be a key player in that. Now Swansea beat Barnsley both home and away this season. Lowe scored a goal in each game. The Swans only managed a draw in both games against Brentford, however. He did not score in either of those games. Bournemouth was able to do the double over Swansea this season. Bournemouth lost on the 2 occasions they faced Brentford, but they were able to split the Barnsley fixtures 1 apiece. That's a lot of information and it can be a little bit confusing, so here's a way to simplify everything. Now this table shows how these teams faced off against each other this season. As you can clearly see, Brentford came out on top with 11 points, Bournemouth had 9, Swansea had 8, and Barnsley had 6. Alright guys, we're going to leave it there. I don't have a prediction yet, but you can leave yours in the comments. And also congrats to Andre Gray, who made it to the Premier League with Watford. I'll see you guys next time, alright?